SUICA allows you to pay for trains, buses, and shopping with a single card.
Which way was it? That way? It's my first time in Japan, but Tokyo's trains and buses have so many routes and lines. It's so complicated. I have to buy a new ticket at a ticket machine every time I change lines, and the fares are completely different depending on the destination. Isn't there an easier way to travel?
The SUICA card is all you need. SUICA is a smart card from JR East that can be used not only for JR East trains and buses, but for shopping too. You don't need to check the fare for your destination every single time. This card is all you need to board the train. Let's start by purchasing a SUICA at a ticket vending machine. A 500 yen deposit is included in your first purchase. Now that you've purchased a SUICA, let's try boarding the train. Simply touch the SUICA card to the reader at the ticket gate to proceed through it quickly and smoothly. You don't need to check the fare for your destination, so SUICA makes traveling easier than ever. Once you've used up the money on the card, you can recharge it at any ticket vending machine and use it over and over again. You can even use SUICA for shopping. Many kiosks and convenience stores accept SUICA for payments. With SUICA, troublesome transfers to different lines are smooth and easy, making your travels much simpler. Try SUICA on your visit to Japan.